going on YouTube? Wanna know the process on how I make my anime art? Stay and see, and I'll show you what I'm currently doing. So right now, I am currently working on a I shot my first YouTube video on my entire process. But here's a little behind the scenes on my sketching process. I usually use an AB pencil in order for me to get, dark enough lines for the shadows. The reason why I sketch in the shadows like this is because when I apply my acrylic paint, it lets me know how many layers I need to do to get full coverage. So once I see the lines disappear, then I know that I have achieved full coverage. I'll be posting more videos behind the scenes, so stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.